Back in July, Brittany and I traveled to Bali. Visiting Bali has been our dream for ages, and last year we finally decided this would be the year. So, we saved up, booked our tickets, and here's how it went down. Alright guys, we've made it!
It's 6:45.
Look where we are. So with the long climb of Kelingking Beach behind us, we decided it was finally time to give Bali a visit. I'm gonna miss it here. I really am.
There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah.
We spent the next week exploring the famous south of Bali, but because we like to explore the lesser known parts of the world, we took a cab and drove to the surprisingly untouristy north.
To get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.